Okay, question 9. Lana sikhuluma nge-magnetism. Sikhuluma ngama-magnets, electromagnetic force, electromagnetic fields. Yeah, so in the description box uzothola ama-links for amanye ama-recordings engiwayenzile for the question paper November 2017. So yeah, question 9. Thanks for tuning in. Thanks for watching. Bathi basiphe two yama-magnets which are placed so that they are not poles face each other as shown. So lana basipha two yama-magnets, north, south. Lama magnets bawa place in such a way ukuthi the north ifacing the other north. 9.1 explain the term magnetic field. Magnetic field. Yini magnetic field is an area or region in space where another magnet or ferromagnetic material or substance can experience a magnetic force. So ferromagnetic material izinto ezifana nabo iron, something which gets attracted or magnetized by a magnet. So that's the definition for a magnetic field. 9.2 draw the magnetic field pattern between two north poles of a magnet. So now lama magnets wethu similar to this given sketch. Now sifuna ukdraw the magnetic field lines. The magnetic field lines are moving from north to south. The direction of the magnetic field is from north to south. So for two magnetic poles, similar magnetic poles, north, the magnetic field lines between the two poles azoba so, where the direction is directed from north going all the way in the opposite direction. Same nangapha in the opposite direction. I hope lama arrow ayabonakala la. Right, 9.3. The graph below shows how the magnetic force varies with distance between the magnets. Okay, so it's the magnets above, is it? Yeah, okay, yeah, it's the magnets above. Lana bega, if the distance iba smaller between the two magnets, so let's say it's 1 centimeter if it's 1 centimeter the force iba higher. Lama magnets nakasondela la not iba higher the magnetic field between. Nangabe nyawa move a path 2 centimeters this time, the force here decrease. 4 centimeter, the force decreases further. 6 centimeter, force here decrease further again. 8, so on and so on. Whenever we decrease as we increase any distance. As we increase the distance. 9.3.1. But what is the mathematical relationship between magnetic force and distance between the two magnets? Okay, I believe there's two graphs okwamele understand la. Asikhombisa an important relationship or an important mathematical relationship between two variables. For instance, in our case, lava CP force versus distance. The graph is doing a curve nyana, like a hyperbolic function. In fact, it is a hyperbola. Yeah, it is a hyperbola. It looks like a hyperbolic function. Lana CT, the mathematical relationship which exists, the inverse proportion. CT, the magnetic force is inversely proportional to the distance between magnets. The magnetic force is inversely proportional to distance between, inversely proportional to the distance between magnets, right? And then if let's say maybe there's a function a straight line function, see there's a direct proportion relationship. So you all ama relationship abalulekile la ngikhuluma ngawo. Direct proportion, this one the inverse proportion. That's the difference between the two there. Lago 9.3.2 but what is the magnitude of the magnetic force between the two magnets when they are 4 centimeters apart? So it's 4, it's 0.1. You just read off ama answers wako from the graph. It's 0.1 newtons, so it's 4 lana, it's 0.1, so the force, it means it's 0.1. 9.3.3. How far apart must the magnets be to experience a force of 0.05? Okay, this is 0.1, 0.05 somewhere in the middle. So I vote okay, they must be a distance of 10 centimeters apart to experience that kind of force. So question 9 iphelela lana. This was the last question for this question 9. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please leave a like, share and subscribe. In the description box kunama links for other recordings, whichever nangabu interested hambo wa cheka. So for now guys, I enjoyed this one. I hope you did. So for now, asponana on the next video. Bye bye.